the quarry now. Maybe another time?
Bye, Philip. Nice to...
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for our area.
I really didn't know what to make of that, Philip. He's a very funny little engine.
He looked a bit like you, Toby. Small and...
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. EDT. At 4:54 p.m. EDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar impact. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Rockledge, Brynolf, Wissinumming, Tacony, Holmesburg, Kensington, Center City, Northeast Philadelphia and Roxborough. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 22 and 33. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 340 and 344. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 0.